So the rules on this road are no passing and speed limit 20 to 25. Thankfully, all the slow cars pulled over. Temperature is getting much better. It was in the mid 80s when I started here, and it's now in the mid 70s. I think it's probably in the low 60s to mid 60s when we come to the mountaintop. We will see. The forest is getting more ruggeder. Still about 4 miles to go. And the view must be incredible today. I think so. Temperature feels good. Nice breeze. So the tree changed to bushes now, and smaller trees. Wow, beautiful view, beautiful. I would love to pass them. I mean, I know there's no passing, but motorcycle to motorcycle, they should be okay. But not sure how they would feel about it. There's no guardrail on the left side. That's probably one of the reasons why they have speed limits here and these strict rules. Wow. Wow, what a view. But I better keep my eyes on the road. .6 miles to go. I would die to have a beer up there. I would die for it, but that's my golden rule. I'm sticking to it, and I want to come home safe and sound to my wife and my dog. Oh my lord, is it great. Temperature is 69. Thank you! Not sure why the others are not thanking him. He didn't have to stop. So I think it's courtesy to be kind and be thankful, appreciative. But maybe it's just me. Look at this view, incredible. Very cool road. No potholes. The surface is rough. Probably from cleaning in the winter, I would assume. Or on purpose. So we have more grip. It's funny how I stay more closer to the yellow line than to the white on the right side. I mean, if it has anything to do that I'm afraid of height, I don't know. One and a half miles. Absolutely mind-blowing. .65 degrees. Now come, take this corner. And all the trees are gone. All the bushes are gone. It's just grass left. Maybe if you're lucky we see a patch of snow. Would be funny. I certainly need a coffee and eat my Fahrtbrötchen. A Fahrtbrötchen, it's a sandwich which can only be eaten when you travel. It's in my family since I can remember. My grandpa did this when he was traveling by train, for example. As soon as the train left the station, he unpacked his sandwich and started eating. My dad did the same, I did the same. Of course, I can't do it on a motorcycle, I have to wait for a stop. But when Claudia and I go for a road trip on the car, like we go to Brooklyn next week, go see Janice and Ty and the baby girl in the belly, we certainly will have our Fahrtbrötchen there. So that's the top of Mount Washington, 0.4 miles to go. .61 degrees, nice temperature. Ah, love it for now. Looks like there's also a train or a tram or something going up there. Funny, I didn't see any bicycles. I know it's a brutal trip, but That would be a great challenge. I think if I would have lived here back then when I did road biking, I would have done it one time. And we made it to the top of Mount Washington. Let's check out the view. That's just incredible. These guys are all hiking. Wow. Wow. Hope my head doesn't fly away. I couldn't have picked a better day. Yes. So. Oh no, there goes some Fahrtbrötchen. Oh no.
This is part of the trail.
Is it?
Trail marks on the stone over here.
I did not know this. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Wow. It is very cool. I'm so glad I made the journey up here. Yeah, over there is Vermont, but it's too cloudy to pick anything out there. Live from Mount Washington. It's so cool here. So cool.